Looking for the best smartwatch on Amazon? This top-rated smartwatch combines sleek design, advanced health tracking, and seamless smartphone integration. Stay connected, monitor your fitness, and enjoy smart features all day long with the ultimate wearable companion. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Smartwatch. The Samsung smartwatch takes everyday fitness and wellness tracking to the next level with the integration of Galaxy AI, making it an excellent companion for anyone who values personal progress. Its performance tracking tools let you compare your current run or bike ride with past sessions, motivating you to push further each time, giving you more precise insights even during intense workouts. Beyond exercise, the watch supports better health habits through personalized wellness tips and accurate sleep tracking that even detects moderate to severe sleep apnea. This holistic approach makes it more than just a fitness device. It's also a wellness partner that helps shape healthier routines. Its sleek design pairs with advanced functionality, offering an all-in-one solution for health monitoring, fitness motivation, and smart lifestyle management. For anyone looking to balance fitness goals with overall well-being, this watch is a powerful tool. Number 2. Fitbit Versa 4 Smartwatch. The Fitbit Versa 4 smartwatch combines fitness tracking with lifestyle convenience, making it a reliable choice for health-focused users. With the daily readiness score, it helps you decide whether to push hard or recover, providing guidance to achieve better results. Its built-in GPS and workout intensity maps let you explore outdoor activities while accurately tracking your progress. This watch is packed with over 40 exercise modes, automatic tracking, and active zone minutes to keep workouts engaging and effective. Breathing exercises and health metrics like SpO2 and heart rate monitoring. Beyond health, the Versa 4 enhances daily life with on-rest calls, text notifications, customizable watch faces, and contactless payments through Fitbit Pay, Google Wallet, and Amazon Alexa integration. With a battery life lasting more than 6 days, it offers both endurance and functionality. Stylish, lightweight, and versatile, the Fitbit Versa 4 provides an all-around experience for those wanting to improve health, fitness, and day-to-day productivity. Number 3. Bark Smartwatch. The Bark Smartwatch is designed with safety and parental control at its core, making it ideal for families who want to keep children connected while maintaining peace of mind. Unlike standard smartwatches, it requires activation with a $15 monthly service, giving the device its own dedicated phone number. Its tamper-proof parental controls ensure that the rules you set remain in place, giving parents full authority over who their child can contact. The real-time GPS tracking is another valuable feature, offering 3 different ways to monitor your child's location with customizable alerts and check-ins. Safety is further enhanced by the emergency SOS button, which allows kids to quickly request help when needed. Regular software updates mean the watch only gets better with time, responding to parent feedback for ongoing improvements. Bundled with essentials like a charger and USB cable, the Bark smartwatch blends communication, safety, and parental oversight in one device, giving parents reassurance while empowering kids with smart independence. Number 4. OnePlus Smartwatch. The OnePlus Smartwatch 3 strikes a perfect balance between elegant design, robust performance, and long-lasting battery life, making it a great choice for both fitness enthusiasts and tech lovers. Crafted with a stainless steel body, titanium alloy bezel, and sapphire crystal display, it offers a premium yet durable build that withstands daily wear. Its unmatched battery performance provides up to 120 hours of usage on a single charge, ensuring minimal interruptions. Health and wellness features are plentiful, including continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and advanced sleep analysis to help you stay on top of your well-being. Running on Wear OS, the watch provides access to Google Apps, third-party apps, and built-in voice assistant support for easy interaction. Whether you're managing fitness goals, staying productive, or simply wanting a stylish timepiece, the OnePlus Watch 3 delivers on all fronts. Its combination of refined design, deep health insights, and intelligent functionality makes it a versatile and dependable smartwatch. Number 5. KOSPET Tank T3 Smartwatch.
The KOSPET Tank T3 smartwatch is a rugged yet stylish choice built for outdoor adventurers and active lifestyles. Crafted with a stainless steel unibody frame and Gorilla Glass display, it's resistant to scratches, drops, and harsh conditions. With military-grade durability, having passed 15 endurance tests, it's perfectly suited for extreme environments. Outdoor explorers will appreciate the built-in GPS with support for 6 satellite systems, offering fast and accurate positioning, along with features like an altimeter, barometer, and compass. The 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof ratings make it ideal for swimming, diving, and surfing, with a professional swimming mode to track performance. Power is another strength, thanks to its 470 mAh cobalt battery and advanced AI power-saving algorithms, giving up to 16 days of regular use and 42 hours in GPS mode. The watch supports over 170 sports modes and automatically recognizes popular exercises, like walking and cycling. Enhanced by dual intelligent chips, it ensures smooth performance and reduced power consumption while also offering AI voice assistance and Bluetooth calls. Combining toughness, functionality, and advanced health tracking, the KOSPET Tank T3 is an all-in-one solution for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.